If I were to redo my marketing, these are the 5 mistakes that people make that I would definitely hone in on. Number 1, make sure that you have a consistent, clean website with links that work. 2, branding and messaging, super important. When you confuse your clients, they go elsewhere. Number 3, social media. Make sure that you are on social media, you use social media, and you respond to your viewers. Number 4, make sure that you have reviews. 90% of people look for reviews before they actually hire someone. And to many of those people, reviews are as good as someone giving them a referral. And number 5, I would absolutely hire somebody to do the marketing because they know what they're doing, and you do not, and you shouldn't, because you are a business owner. Hire a marketing specialist. If you're not getting customers, then you need to make sure that all 5 of those events that I just discussed are in action.